Hi everyone, good morning. It's me again, Keng, your virtual tour guide. And today it's January 1st and we're here. We're gonna go out hiking to Sharp Peak. And as of the moment we're here, we're gonna start here at Pak Tam Au. So Maclehose Trail going to Sharp Peak. So we're gonna go here. So you can see we're here at Pak Tam Au.
Kasi na po sa east, dam po siya nga party makita.
Oh. Okay, and look, that's Sharp Peak over there. So there's still a long way to go. Hamtin, mao ning kuan katong beach, no? Dili. Ah. So while walking, and this is what we passed here. It's a sad scene, and they just throw it here. And this is look at that. Yeah, they're saying it's the wild boars that's spreading the trash around. Oh, something here too. Cool. Wow. Oh, there's a small village here. Look at that. Back to our hike. Here. Pila? Palang? Yun. So this is like an abandoned village. Same thing here. So we just turned left. So this should go around. Di langoyon na ni nato diha. Labang. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of campsites or tents here. Cool. Look at that. Wow, Hamtin. Yeah, that's if you head straight, that's where we're going. But we're not gonna go straight. We're gonna go up here. So there again, there's a sign that this path leads to an area where fatal or serious accidents have occurred. Please do not proceed further. So yeah, and let's go Sharp Peak. That's Tailung 1 over there. All the way there. That's Tailung 1. Oh, so we're gonna go all the way there, down, all the way down to the beach. Good morning. Morning. I like your suit. And there's another warning sign. Over here. Ooh. This is where we're going. So we need to go all the way to that side. Happy New Year. Good morning. Whew. So far, mas lisod yun ang panaog sa kuan sa suicide. Ay, dito na ka, no? Huh. And one more. All the way there. And we're here. This is our view. It's quite dangerous. It looks dangerous because it's really dangerous. That's your peak. Yeah. Wow, sana all good. Most difficult hike ever. Crazy. We were already there, but we went back because there's no other way going back to Tung 1 to the beach. So we opted down, checked some roads where we can pass. So we did, and then we ended up on a dead end, almost like a dead end. 14 minutes more before 1. And look, if you're gonna hike here, just make sure you pass from the sharp peak all the way to that those cliffs. Whew, grabe. And we're here. Hi everyone. We just ate, so now we've decided to pass to go back to Pak Tam Au, where you can pass just behind the restaurant. So now we're here. This is the path where we passed before. So just follow the signs, go behind the restaurant, and go to the path going to Pak Tam Au. And you also have an option if you're already very tired. You can just take the speedboat from Ham Tin all the way to Sai Kung. It will cost you around $250 or $280 here. So we are going to Pak Tam Au. So it says 2 hours, so 5 kilometers. So we expected it to be an hour and a half, but they said it's a 2-hour hike. Look at this lady. Actually, it's the surface now is flat, but she has her cane. It's not her hiking stick anymore. It's her cane. Injured. And guys, look, we're here at last. Vamos. Lucky day. Success. So today we had 23 kilometers and 9 hours of hiking. It's a record for us today. Woo! And it's the first day of 2022. Let's go! Come on.